Man accused of a deadly follow-home murder and the killings of 3 homeless men. He could be in court tomorrow.
33-year-old Jerrid Joseph Powell has already been charged with killing a man in his San Dimas garage last week. Charges for the other 3 murders could be filed very soon. KCAL News reporter Laurie Perez spoke with a criminal defense attorney about the unusual habits of this suspected killer.
She's live in Studio City with the story. Laurie.
That's right. We wanted to ask him about what stands out to him in this case of what he's seen so far.
I can understand why the homeless community in Los Angeles is so scared tonight and maybe a little bit relieved as to his arrest.
33-year-old Jerrid Powell is the man now being described by police as a serial killer. First arrested for the follow-home robbery and murder Tuesday of a San Dimas father, investigators say they have since tied Powell to the shooting deaths of 3 homeless men in Los Angeles last week. Former prosecutor, now defense attorney Ambrosio Rodriguez, says serial killers usually follow a pattern, and while Powell did allegedly do that by targeting unhoused men, the killing of the San Dimas man broke from that. But Rodriguez says there is a common theme in that the reports and video released so far show cold-blooded behavior throughout.
It's depraved and it's indifferent, right? It's almost like watching someone who just wants to see people die. And be the cause of that death.
He says there are a lot of immediate questions he has about Powell's lengthy criminal record going back years and how he's the owner of a brand new BMW police recovered. Rodriguez says Powell's alleged conduct seems sociopathic.
Obviously, there was no care in his actions in not getting caught, right? He was in the same car over and over. We are videotaped a lot. It doesn't show that he had any attempt to hide his identity or to avoid being caught. It looks like he was it gives the impression of someone who's trying to do it for as long as he can until he gets caught.
He says the case will draw national attention because it dovetails 2 very big issues in large urban centers: an exploding homeless population and a spike in homicides.
It only matters in terms of evaluating his psychological reasons if in fact he did this, right? It matters because why was this rage directed at this very vulnerable population? There's some kind of role playing going on his head in him doing that, right? He did that allegedly for a purpose psychologically, right? It fit a narrative in his head, right? That's what the prosecution's gonna say.
Now, Powell is being held on $2 million bail. Again, as you said, he's expected in court on Monday. In Studio City, I'm Laurie Perez, KCAL News. Back to you.